of us can benefit from eating more plants, especially getting more plant-based proteins. Like proteins found in meat and dairy, plant-based proteins can support the rebuilding and maintenance of strong muscles, with the bonus of health-promoting fiber. But it can be tricky since plants aren't necessarily known for being high in protein. It's good to know that chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, are an excellent source of plant-based protein, providing about 15 grams of protein per half cup and a whopping 15 grams of heart-healthy fiber too. Keep no salt-added chickpeas in your pantry to add a plant protein boost to salads, stir-fries, or even snack time. Why don't you give oven-roasted chickpeas a try for an easy, delicious, and nutritious snack? Roasting chickpeas really is as simple as preheating your oven to 450 degrees. Rinsing and thoroughly drying a can of chickpeas, and then just toss them with a little bit of olive oil, a pinch of salt, a little pepper, or get creative with your own blend of seasoning. If you like it hot, a little cayenne pepper can add a nice kick too. So you spread on a baking sheet and then you bake your chickpeas for about 30, maybe 40 minutes. You just want them brown and crunchy. Simple enough, store them in an airtight container for up to a week. Roasted chickpeas are a crowd-pleasing snack that is fit to eat.
For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.